Hello, how are you?
Thank you very well. And
Great.
you?
I'm fine too.
Super.
Now, you've been learning English in Volkshochschule for several years now.
Yes.
Could you tell us again why do you like learning English?
Because my daughter lives in America,
Right.
and I would speak with my grandson and my granddaughter in English, but therefore they can't speak German.
Mhm.
Yes, and friends from my daughter, and they are invited, and I want to speak with them English.
Okay, right. And how do you like the English lesson?
I like it very, very much.
Mm-hmm.
Very. I like it to come in the school, and I like the group, and my teacher is very patient
Thank you.
with us, and that's very, very well.
Mhm. And what do you do after school?
I learn with three ladies one time in the week. At first it will be cakes
Mm-hmm.
and coffee, and then we speak in English and talk about the things what we have experienced.
Okay,
Yes.
and how often do you do that every week?
One time in the week.
Once a week.
Yes.
Right, and that's why you are very much motivated in the English lesson.
Yes, we are.
Fantastic. I'm very happy to see that people in my lesson after school they meet together and learn.
Yes,
That's a
we do
pleasure.
it always.
Good, good. Thank you very much,
Thank
Kathy. A pleasure.
Not at all.
Yeah, a pleasure.
Thank you.
Right.